Hello guys, how is going on? I'm Sujit Patel. Welcome to my YouTube channel and review video of this online revenue system. Okay, today I'm on the members area of online revenue system, and today we'll be going through um, this software in detail. What does it offer? And we'll see what are the bonuses you will be getting if you wish to purchase this using my link provided below this YouTube video in the description area. Okay, so when you click on this link in the description area, it will take you to this my bonus page. Okay, and you'll be landing here. Okay, so let me minimize it a bit so that you'll be able to see. Okay, properly, and I'll move it to here. Okay, so that your focus will be here in this page. Okay, so we'll be landing to this page, and this is my bonus page. And you can see this is called my bonus page, and Sujit's bumpers bonuses bundle you'll be getting, and we'll be going through in detail. But before that, I would like to highlight that before 11th of October, Sunday, 11:59 p.m., you have to take action on it, and then before this countdown hits to 0, you need to click on this yellow button so that it will take you to the sales page. Here we'll be looking into this sales page. This software has been already released today on 9th of October, 11 a.m. EST. Okay, so now we'll switch to my bonus page again. Then I'll show you what this software is about. So this online revenue system is a business box which helps you gathering local leads from the local businesses within your city or whatever city you will mention it. So basically this is a two-part software, which the first part is a training, and the second part is a software which you have to download and use it, um, and collect the leads for your local businesses. And when you collect the leads, then you can sell them to those businesses, and you will earn money out of it. Okay, so we'll go through in detail later on this and this software, and I'll take you through my bonus page. So if you at all um, wish to purchase this, then you will be getting uh, four bonuses, and including the Venus bonuses as five bonuses, and that vendor bonuses contains many more bonuses. Okay, as well. So as a part of my bonus page, the bonus number one is um, the hex the access to 7 minute system advanced training. So as a part of this tutorial, you will be able to know how to do CPA marketing, and this 7 minute system, it will show you a underground software so that it will you will able to utilize that technique to in the CPA marketing system. CPA is nothing but called to acquisition, and when you collect leads or any contact for that CPA network, you will be getting paid without spending any money from you. Okay, so it is a very powerful system and very easy way to earn money using the CPA process. Okay, so bonus number two is it will show you the 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions. So how to write email and how to write um, converting email. That means when your customers will be receiving email which can be easily convertible, so that you'll be getting paid. Okay, the bonus number three is to build a website from scratch, and it will show you how to build a website using WordPress within 10 minutes. So it is very useful method. You will be able to know about this tutorial. And bonus number four is a Fuego breakout. This is a secret traffic source that that puts your ORS on steroid. The ORS in the sense the online revenue system, the software we are reviewing about. Okay, so you'll be skyrocketing your businesses by collecting leads and selling them to the local businesses, so that you'll be getting profited and boost your profit. And the fifth one is the all the vendor bonuses, whatever they have provided to us to provide you, will be getting all those um, bonuses as well. So for that, you need to click on this yellow button in this page and take action before this countdown hits to 0. When you click on this, you'll be landing to the sales page, as I told you, and you need to watch this um, sales page if you wish to do that, and you can go through this content and you can find it the benefits of using this software and how easy it is to implement. Okay, you do not need to do anything, you can outsource all the stuff as well, and they will provide all the training as a part of this software. You can see it contains lots of training here in detail for handling your clients, collecting your leads, then selling them to and earning profits from it. Okay, so we can go through all these details. Like, you do not need a list, you do not need any experience, you do not need a budget initially, you do not need any fancy website, you do not need existing clients, you do not need to make cold calls, you do not need a better economy, you do not need pressure selling, you do not need to lots of time, you do not need special skills on ability, you do not need to be in the US, do it from anywhere in the world. Okay, so it provides that flexibility. We can go through this sales video later on, and it's a very long page. You can see all these things, you can in detail, you can go through, and the testimonials and details. So is Tom Cadiz and Nick Ponte, they have released the software on 9th of October 11 a.m. EST. It is already in live, and you can click on this button to go to your purchase area and purchase it. So when you purchase it, then you'll be sending an email to your email address, the purchase email address, and you'll be getting a link. When you click on the link, you'll be going to this Warrior Plus website, and if you have already one account, then you'll be saying like this. And when you click on your username here, then you can see the purchase history. Then you will software will be listed here. When you click on any of the software whatever you have purchased, then it will take you to a page like this, which and you can see a blue button here. When you click on this blue button, it will take you to the bonus page that I have explained in my bonus page. All the bonuses will be instantly delivered to you. Okay, so all those have been set for you. When you purchase on it, then you will be getting all those bonuses. Okay, so when you click on this green button, then it will take you to this members area, and you'll be able to access this software. So as I explained earlier, it is a two-part software system. Then one part contains all the trainings, videos, and everything. You need to go through one by one. Very extensive training they have provided to handle everything. You do not need to do anything. You just need to watch carefully and then implement it. The second part, and the most important part, is they have provided a software, downloadable software, and you need to download it to your local PC, the Windows versions and Mac versions, then run it on your local PC to do so and collect the leads. So I'll try to show how this software looks. I have not downloaded to my PC yet, but yeah, I can show you in their review video. One of the video they have explained how it looks. Okay, so this is the software how it looks when you download and run it. And you can see you can enter your city name here and keywords in whatever niche you want to um, collect your business leads, and then make profit out of it. So this software looks like this. You can go through in detail. I'll show you the screenshot so that you will have an idea that how it actually looks. Okay, let me zoom it a bit so that it will be easier for to see. So you can enter the city name here, then find leads, and it will start collecting the local businesses and leads and contacts and everything here, so that you will contact them and sell all those leads to, okay, provide a service, and you can earn money out of it. So don't worry, you do not need to do anything. They have explained pretty well how it can be outsourced, and you just sit back and earn money by providing this. And I'll just want to let you know one thing, that now it is a very challenging time for the world and the businesses, and to grow their businesses, everyone is trying to make a presence on the social media platform or come to online. Okay, so all of them don't know how to do that, but as a online entrepreneur, we know how to do this, so we can help them doing this, and you can earn money by selling these services. Okay, so I think I have covered everything. So before that, I'll take you through my bonus page again, and I'll explain you about the upsells and the details about it. So even if you pick up this front end, the online revenue system, which costs $27, you'll be getting all my bonuses, including the vendor bonuses. Okay, but you need to take action before this countdown hits to zero. Okay, so we have 2 days left, and you can purchase it. So the upsell number one is done for you content and marketing, which is $37, and there is a downsell of $17. So 30-day of done for you social media content for 7 different high value niches. 4 additional cities unlocked for you to collect the leads, okay, and sell them. Marketing sales power pack that loaded with the down for material to help, and you can will be getting all those benefits. You can go through in detail. The upsell number two, each video social covers, which costs $96. Upsell number three is Shark Alliance, 197 per month and 997 annual. Monthly mentorship on building six-figure digital marketing agency. Okay. So they are providing the monthly mentorship regularly to build your business, and they will help you, including exclusive software, weekly training done for you, materials, and much more. Okay, so if you wish, you can go for it as well. And here is some key benefits you will be interested in getting: easy first sales, few headaches, low stress, good steady dollars monthly if you desire, definitely affordable, obvious value offered, quick presentation, little follow-up needed. Okay, so for that you need to take action before my bonus page countdown hits to zero. You need to click on this button and go to the sales page. So you need to click on this link below my YouTube video, and which will take you to my bonus page, and you can take action accordingly. Okay, so with that, this brings to the end of this review video, and I'll see you in my next review video. Until then, take care. Okay, thank you very much.